Okay guys, so in this video we will learn how we can list the files, right? How we can see the files which are in our directory, or also we can see that how we can create a directory related to directory option. Like if I have to move to some other directory, how to do that, or if I have to create a new directory, how to do that. So with default user like EC2 user, I don't have much permission. So what I have to do, I have to move to root account, right? So now I am into my root account and here I have to see the options. So to check what is my current directory, there is one command pwd which you can use. Pwd, it will show you your present working directory, that is root. So I am right now at root. Now if I have to see my files, I have to type ls command, and with this ls command I can check what is inside into root. If I have to get out from this directory, I can use cd space dot dot command and I can back one up folder. Now I can see that what are the directories available, right? So if you see here, these dark blue files are basically these file dark blue text is basically directory. So now what I need to do, if you use ls is for list files, and a very popular text is ltr. It will list your files in last modified time, so you can check all your details. So here you can see if there is a directory, you will find that there will be a symbol approach list there like D. So it will start from D. If a directory is there, it will start from D, right? If it is a file, it will show you with this L. So here you can see like what are your directories and what are your files. So kind of this you can see multiple things. Now what else? So you need to take it in mind like what are the directories will start from a D letter, right? Now next option come like how I can move to some other directory. So suppose you have to move to bin directory. So what I need to do, cd change directory space bin. So you want to move to change the bin directory, cd space bin, and now I am into bin directory. You can see this option that bin is here. If you see present working directory, it is bin, and if you use ls-ltr option, you will find all the files there which are available in bin. Use ls, that is another way to see the file names, right? So this is the way you can use. You can go to cd dot dot and you can up one folder up there, and again you are into root directory, where you are into root directory, right? So ls command is very useful. If you want to take some help what are the options available into ls, you can use ls hyphen hyphen help, or you can use man help. Two options are there, one is man and one is help. So if you want to take some help regarding ls, you want to see what options are available, you can use it and you can simply search. Like here you can see what T does, it sort by modification time newest first. If you want to see what R do, so you can check here what is the benefit of R option, and it says reverse order while sorting. So these are some options which you can do. So these all our options are there. It will show you all the options which you want to see, right? So this is how you can move to a directory. To move into a directory, you have to go cd. If you come out from one directory, cd space dot dot. If you want to create a directory, you have to use mkdir, and you can create a directory like test2, and you can create your directory. Now you can see my test2 directory is also available. If you want to remove a directory, rmdir, and you can delete. Simple. So your directory got deleted. So these are few options with the directory, how you move to some directory and how you can list your files. I hope you find this video useful, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, feel free to move to next video. Thank you. Bye bye.